Good afternoon, it's Mike here from Genuine Futures, and I'm here with Jaxon. Jaxon was one of our first recruits on the Boss Your Future programme in Salford, and we recruited, when did we meet, Jaxon?
By April.
It was about April this year. We're now at the end of August. And, you know, we've got to know each other. Jackson's been through the programme, and he had some news that he wanted to share with everybody today. Jaxon, what was the news? What happened? What did you tell me today?
I've entered college. I'm in it. Signed up. I've got my ID. It's worked out.
So tell us what you're doing at college, Jaxon.
Automotive maintenance.
Also mechanics. And you know, for us, that's a fantastic outcome, because one of the things that Jaxon is really, really passionate about is cars, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, there's not a lot this guy doesn't know about cars. And actually, when we met and we were talking about what he would like to do for his future, he'd almost written off the idea, hadn't you?
Yeah.
Tell us about that.
So, I didn't think I'd get into college because I don't have any GCSE scores. I didn't do them. I didn't sit them. So I didn't think I'd get into college. So I wrote off the idea of being a mechanic. And it made me turn to car valeting, which I want to do, but I want to be a mechanic the most.
So, what changed? Because on the programme we did a piece on limiting beliefs, didn't we?
Yeah.
And we identified that you were saying, because you hadn't had any GCSEs and because you were homeschooled, that you'd written off the idea, hadn't you?
Yeah.
And in conversation I had with Jaxon, he would say to me that you know, there's no point in me applying at college because they're not going to take me, aren't you?
Yeah, I didn't think I'd get into one. I didn't see why they would take me.
And this is the thing, you see. So part of what happens during the Boss Your Future programme is we look at these things, don't we? We look at the belief systems that we have and the way in which some of our thoughts can hold us back. So what do you say about that now? About the thoughts that you were carrying around?
I don't even mean by that.
So what you were thinking, so what you were telling yourself,
Yeah.
i.e., I don't have any GCSEs, so therefore, what do you think about that now?
Well, I mean, if a man with no GCSE scores, of nothing really about him, like no apprenticeships, nothing behind him, can get into college, I think anyone can.
And that's it. I couldn't have said it better myself. You know, it's what you've done, which we're really proud of, is you've kept turning up, you've kept showing up. You know, you've done things on the course. We've pushed you, but you've kind of pushed yourself as well.
Yeah.
And sometimes it's like where you want to give up, or you don't believe that something is possible, but you've kept going, you've kept showing up. You know, you've been one of the best attenders on this course, haven't you?
Yeah.
And now look at what's happening to you.
Good news.
It's good news. You don't look happy, but I know you are, because you were talking about it today.
Yeah.
But it just shows you. So, I guess what would you say the moral of the story is? If anybody was listening and watching this, what would you say to them?
Don't give up before you try.
100%. Don't give up. You don't know what's possible. And at the end of the day, all you need to do is show up, and that's what you've done, haven't you?
Yeah.
And now look, you're about to start a college course in the thing that you actually want to do, which you never thought was possible, but there you are, you're starting next week.
Yeah.
We're 100% proud of you, and you should be really pleased with yourself. Right. So that's me, Mike from Genuine Futures. A great story with Jaxon. Really pleased with him, really proud, and we hope for many more people like Jaxon to be able to tell these same stories.